Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is February the 8th, 2019, and I wanted to give you an update on the onion seedlings here, and I'm also going to be showing you today how to trim these so that your onions get nice and thick. And I have some there, and then I have some more over here. Now some of these didn't all germinate yet, but I'm moving the light here so you can see them. And I have some more onions growing elsewhere too. Now, I'm probably going to be planting some more because we do eat a lot of onions, and we also do buy the sets. Now, your onion sets don't normally get as big as your onion seedlings will. What onion sets actually are is they grow in the previous year, and they let them get to a certain size, and then they pull them and let them dry, and then they bag them up for in the stores to sell them for next year, so people can buy the onion sets and plant them out. So I'm going to show you here how to prune these real quick. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you here how to prune the onion seedlings. Now what this actually does is it makes your plants thicker, and I find that they're able to handle when they go outdoors, when you start hardening them off for planting outdoors, they handle it better than the ones that aren't actually pruned. So I have a nice clean sharp pair of scissors here, and I'm just cutting the tops of them off here. You can see. You can see what I'm taking off here. And this also helps to prevent your onions from falling over, your onion seedlings from falling over. Now, some of these will have like double growth on them, like this one here has. Now, I don't want to cut below that double growth. I want to let that there and just cut the tops off. Spin this one here so I can get the rest of these. And that one fell over, so I'm going to stand that one back up there. Just going across the top there. Whoops, I knocked the tag out. Okay, I got the majority of these. I'll finish cleaning them up later then. And this sometimes your potting soil or sometimes your seed starting mix will get like a green algae that grows on top. That's coming from the seed starting mix, or it's coming from the water. As you can see here, this soil, I'll show you this here, is dry. Better light here. This soil is dry. It's very dry, and it still has this on top. So it's you're not overwatering them or anything like that. It's just something that's in the soil. You can scrape it off if you choose to, but I just wanted to throw that in there for you in case you have this growing on here and you're thinking that your seed starting mix is too wet. It's probably just something that's coming from the seed starting mix itself, from wherever they got it at, or it's coming from your water supply. So, because this one here is dry, and it has it growing on top too. And if you let your seed starting mix go and let it go to try and get rid of this on top, you're actually going to kill your seedlings because they're going to get too dry on you. and then you've defeated your purpose of growing your plants. So I'm going to be watering this one here. I just set it in a tray full of water, let it soak it up, and then set it back under the lights. And I just wanted to add that in there for you, in case you're wondering, or this starts growing on top of your soil, you're trying to figure out why or where it came from, or what to do about it. There are some experiments that they're doing with hydrogen peroxide and water, but I don't have a definite thing yet on exactly what works, so it wouldn't be too strong. I played around with it a little bit. I'm still playing with it to get the right formula mix for it. I didn't hurt my seedlings that I did use it on, but I want to play with it a little more before I recommend a particular solution. Now, if you happen to accidentally pull one out when you're trimming them or something, just go ahead and find an empty spot, make a hole there, take your plant, and just stick it back in. And then just fill in around it. And like I said, this does need water because it is dry. And then I'm just going to sit this in water and let it soak that all up. Because sometimes that happens, like your hand catches it, or the scissors might catch it wrong and pull it out. So just go ahead and stick them back in. So that's how I trim my onion seedlings. Now I am going to be feeding these since I trimmed them. I'll come back with another video and I'll show you how to feed them. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. You can also follow me on Twitter. I have a Twitter account. I'll leave a link down in the description for my Twitter account. You can get gardening updates and gardening tips, what videos are coming up, how seedlings are doing and different things. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. That'll tell you to put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!